Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Thanks for joining in. At DC TechNet, we strive to do something different, and this is your own channel, so do like, share and subscribe. It motivates us to create new and better content. So let's see what we have today. So we are pleased to announce an entire series on Windows Server update services, and this is an on-demand series by some of our subscribers. So we do respect our subscribers and come up with the content which are, say, more important for them. So today will be part 1 of this WSUS series, and the agenda would be, as you already aware, that we believe in fundamentals and the concepts. So we'll start with what is an update, and then what is patching, what are Windows Server Update Services or WSUS, and why Windows Server Update Services. So these are the fundamentals that we will cover in today's session. Now, before going ahead, I would like to share my experience with you regarding patching and updates. So I have never visited a customer site that had a single device fully patched, and I had never scanned a device that didn't contain a critical vulnerability. So this is my experience, and I don't know why this big disconnect. So on this note, let's see what is an update. So an update is a piece of software code or a specific application for a specific application or an operating system. Now, a software update is a set of changes to a computer program or its supporting data to update or repair it. So update can fix bugs, improve functionality, or address security vulnerabilities. And every Microsoft, say, Windows administrator must know that Microsoft releases these updates on the second Tuesday of every month. So it's also called as a patch Tuesday. So Microsoft releases these updates for all the products, all Microsoft products, on the second Tuesday of every month. Now let's understand what is patching. So patching or patch management is a process of distributing and applying these updates to software. Now this software can be operating system or any application. So newly released updates can fix a bug or a security flaw, can help to enhance applications with new features and fix security vulnerabilities. And we have to remember one thing: patch management is not vulnerability management. So patch management or patching is not vulnerability management. So these two are complete different domains altogether. So here's what updates can do. So we won't be going in the depth of what say updates can do. I'll just give you some bullet points over here. So address a specific bug or a flaw, improve an operating system or an application's general stability, fix a security vulnerability, reduces exposure to cyber attacks, avoid lost productivity, protect your data, protect others on your network. So we are not diving in what updates can do. Rather, we'll be focusing on how WSUS works. So what is WSUS, or Windows Server Update Services? So Windows Server Update Services is a free Windows Server service offered by Microsoft that can download and update and manage updates and patches on supported Microsoft products only. So it will only patch, or we will be able to manage patches and updates only and only on supported Microsoft products using Windows Server Update Services. So if you still have Windows Server 2008 in your environment, WSUS won't take care of the end of life operating systems and the Microsoft products. So it enables the IT administrators of small and medium businesses to effectively manage the distribution of updates released to the computers in their network. Now, this is my experience that WSUS is not used by the enterprises, big enterprises. WSUS is mainly used by small and medium businesses, let's say up to 5,000 or between 5 to 10,000 users. So why to use WSUS? Again, we won't be going in depth over here. I'll just give you some bullet points. First of all, it's a free service. So centralized management, bandwidth optimization, control over updates, compliance, maintenance, scheduling, flexibility, detailed reporting, supports a variety of Microsoft products. But again, there is a caveat over here: only supported Microsoft products. We have a granular control on the updates, and we can also go for some offline patch management using Windows Server Update Services. Now we have some categories of updates, and these categories are defined by Microsoft. So we have updates, regular enhancements, critical updates, security updates, definition updates, drivers, service packs, tools, feature packs, updates, roll up. So as a Windows administrator, we must know, is it a critical update or a security update, and accordingly we should deploy it on our Windows infrastructure. And if you want to know more about these categories, so we won't be discussing these categories in this session or in upcoming sessions. And if you are interested in to know these categories, we have a tiny URL over here, and in this Microsoft's article, they have defined these categories in detail. So what is a critical update, what is a definition update, what is a security update, so on and so forth. So we won't be going over here now. So in our next session, we will touch base WSUS, and we will take up some basic terminologies and concepts in Windows Server Update Services, such as root WSUS, upstream WSUS, downstream WSUS, WSUS server hierarchy, what is a replica mode, what is an autonomous mode. So these are some of the terminologies and concepts which will be discussing in our next session, that is part 2. So this is today's summary. So we have seen what is an update, we have seen what is patching, we have seen what is WSUS, and we have also seen why WSUS. So thank you for joining today's session, and if you feel this channel is helping you to learn anything new, do like, share and subscribe the channel with your friends and your technical community, and see you in the next session. Have a wonderful day.